especially the New Testament, ito'y nakanonize lamang, na fix and final, walang dagdag, walang bawas, in 400 AD. Si Martin Luther isinilang in 1483. More than 1,000 years. More than 1,000 years ho, tapos na po ang New Testament. So kung si Martin Luther ang leading sa Protestant in 16th century, so very impossible na ang mga Protestant sila ang ngayon ang paniniwalaan natin sa New Testament, because the New Testament were written, compiled by the early Christians. Wala pang Protestante noon. They were in unity, tinatawag lang silang mga Christians. Catholic, instead Catholic. Wala pang Protestante.